Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 34 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to look at how to use find fonts option inside of InDesign. So over here I have my InDesign open. You can just go to edit right here, and over here you'll be able to see find font. Okay, not in edit, sorry, inside of type. We can see find font is located right there. So once you open up find font, you can see that you'll get this window right here, and it'll list out all of the fonts that are actually being used in this document right here. For example, this one, and so forth. So you can click this. For example, LCD normal is being selected right now. Let's select find font, and you can see that that is being selected. And if I were to do find next, you can see that that has not been used yet. So over here you can say find font, and you can see that that font is actually selected. If I were to do find next, you can see that it will point out to the next font that is being used. So you can see that I can also change the font. So I'm going to change it into neon lights right here and change it, and you can see that that will actually change the font just like this. And now what I can also do is I can go into more info, and you can see that I can actually see the fonts that is being used, the path where the font is actually saved, the characters, number of how many characters are being applied with this font, and so forth. So I can select this and so forth. You can even see the page numbers with those fonts. For example, the lecture bracket regular is being used in page number 1, 2, and 3. LCD normal is on page 2 only. So you can see that this actually helps me to find and change the fonts and find out if the fonts that are not supposed to be used is being used in the design itself. So that is how find font works inside of Adobe InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.